Hi, welcome to Clay House.
I can't wait to try it. Great!
Oh no!
Thank you so much. It's broken.
I will help you.
Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you so much.
Let me try it out. Oh no, you are missing makeup brush. Let me help you do it.
Thank you. I'm so excited. Looks beautiful. I need some foundation. Can you help me apply them?
Okay.
Oh no, I'm out of foundation. What should I do?
Don't worry. Let me help you.
So beautiful. I can't wait to try it out. I will decorate a flower here. It's so sparkly. I have a round cardboard. Let's do blush.
Do you like this DIY video? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support my channel.
Wow, a giant rainbow ice cream. I want to eat. Out of ice cream.
can't use this by hand. You need a makeup brush. Let me do it.
Thank you. I feel so beautiful.
Looks like you haven't applied lip balm yet. Your lip balm is done.
Feeling great. Thank you. I have an idea to decorate a lip balm jar. Thank you. I'm ready to get my nails done. Very beautiful nail set. Thank you. Oh, my hair. What should I do?
I have an idea. Let's do our hair together.
Is that for me?
It seems a bit big.
Wow, feeling beautiful.
If you like, please like the video and subscribe to support the channel.